Tonight for a little snack, I made a ice cream sandwich. Peanut butter chocolate on the bread, cookies and cream ice cream, Taki churros, caramel drizzle. First bite. Yeah, that's good. The chocolate from the peanut butter complements well. Then the Takis adds a nice crunch to it. I feel like the caramel sets it off. Bomb. See that? That's a thick. It's good. Very good. This is way better than a normal ice cream sandwich you get in the store. Mmm. Dip it in the sauce. Last bite.